In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping options in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each choice means, and how to configure a clear, reliable shipping method your customers will see at checkout. Start in your Squarespace dashboard and look toward the bottom left corner for the settings icon. Give that a click to open your site settings. Inside settings, find the section labeled Selling. This is where all your commerce tools live, so open it, then choose Shipping to manage how you charge for deliveries. On the shipping page, click Add Shipping option. You'll be prompted to define your own rates, which gives you full control over how fees are calculated. Here, Squarespace offers three main approaches: flat rate, weight-based, and carrier calculated. Flat rate is a single, predictable fee and works well when your products are similar in size and weight. Weight-based lets you scale costs as orders get heavier. Carrier calculated pulls live rates from shipping carriers for the most precise pricing. For this walkthrough, select flat rate so you can see the core setup flow. First, enter a clear shipping option name, something customers will immediately understand, like standard shipping or expedited. Then move to set shipping rates. Here, you control how the fee is applied. You can set a per order fee, which is a single charge applied to the entire cart, and a per item fee, which adds an amount for each product in the order. Use just one of these or combine them depending on what best reflects your costs. For example, a small per order fee plus a small per item fee can help cover both packaging and incremental postage. Next, you can add a handling fee if you have consistent costs for packing materials or extra fulfillment time. If you prefer, use markup per item to add a small amount on each item instead. This can be helpful when products vary slightly in effort to prepare. The goal is to keep your pricing transparent while covering real expenses. Scroll to select regions you will ship to. Choose Rest of World if this option should be broadly available, or pick specific countries to limit it to certain markets. Clear regional rules reduce checkout confusion and avoid unexpected costs. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new shipping option is now active and ready to use, giving your customers a straightforward, fair way to pay for delivery. That's it. Your Squarespace shipping is set up with confidence and clarity.